Okay, here we are at Ilavale Lighthouse. Now we are actually against the sun, but this looks very beautiful if we can see it from the other end. Let's go and see. We are coming to see the Ilavale Lighthouse and the beautiful Ilavale beach. This is the Ilavale Lighthouse, built off Ilavale beach for the purpose of navigation of the fishing boats. This is not one of the primary lighthouses in Sri Lanka, so it is not listed under the list of lighthouses operated in Sri Lanka. This is a close-up view of the Ilavale Lighthouse. Unfortunately, we can't climb up to it. There is an entrance which is locked. I wish we got a chance, but unfortunately, it's not my lucky day, people. And if I was lucky enough, you would have also seen this beautiful panoramic view of the Ilavale beach and the surrounding areas. This is a better viewing angle of the Ilavale Lighthouse. You can see it's newly built and it's quite tall, approximately 90 to 100 feet. For the sole purpose of the fishermen. This is the Ilavale beach and the fishing harbour. There are many boats resting under the makeshift shelters built with bamboo and coconut leaves. Unfortunately, we are unable to get on top of the Ilavale Lighthouse. It would have provided us a bird's eye panoramic view, but unfortunately we are not that lucky today, people. Boats taking a break probably after the hard nights of fishing, and they have their own shelters, just like mini garages. Let's go and have a look at the beach now. This is another view of the Ilavale Lighthouse, looking so majestic and rising into the blue sky with plenty of white clouds. Looks out of this world. This is the top of the lighthouse. I really wish we could get on top there, lean on that railing and have a beautiful panoramic view of the Indian Ocean. You can see the beautiful Ilavale Lighthouse behind me. As I was telling you before, this is not one of these significant lighthouses built only for the usage of the fishermen, where they can easily navigate when they are going fishing in the night. So it would be really difficult because there are no landmarks as such to navigate. Even though the KKS harbour is nearby, it would be easier for them to have this lighthouse to direct their boats straight to the Ilavale beach. And this fishing village looks so calm and quiet because this is midday. This is when the fishermen are taking a break. Unlike me, roaming around Jaffna, coming to see these isolated and not so popular attractions. We were at Kirthimale Pond a short while ago and Silappar Ambalama or Silappar Madam, and we are now heading towards Dambakola Patuna, one of the most ancient ports in the entire world. Alright people, let's go and see what's more we can see in this beautiful Jaffna Peninsula. This is Sri signing off from Ilavale Lighthouse.